Hello everyone, my name is Zerpa and today I'm gonna talk about my delay project or my delay plugin made with RackAFX. So first I'm gonna explain my reverse effect and how it works. So basically my first knob will dictate how many milliseconds of the audio file I'm gonna take to then reverse. So if I crank it all the way up, basically I'm gonna take the first 2 seconds of the audio signal. So if I turn on my reverse, this always sounds like. So notice I'm using a guitar strum, basically with the purpose of being able to listen to the reverse effect more clear. Next, let me turn this off first. I'm gonna show you the delay effect, the echo effect. So basically it's working as a normal echo effect. Now if I turn on the reverse effect on, basically what it should do is gonna take the reverse effect and apply an echo to it. So notice that again the echo is only applied to the reverse effect. Now let's listen to the modulation effect. Let's turn again the reverse off. And these are my modulation effects. This is a flanger, this is vibrato, and this is the chorus. Okay, now the reverse also works for these three effects. That's for the chorus. That's for the vibrato. Okay. And now you can also switch the LFO, meaning the low frequency oscillation. If for example I'm just gonna do it with one more for the sake of the example. I'm gonna change my modulation from a triangle wave to a sine wave. And now the user can try with these different four waveforms. Now another cool thing that this plugin does is that if you turn on the delay line and you wanna only listen to the echo effect along with a reverse without a dry signal, you can do so by cranking this knob all the way up to the wet, all the way to the wet reverse, and this is how it sounds like. Notice that you can see the input coming in, but nothing is coming out, basically due to the fact that we're only picking the wet signal, meaning the reverse effect and the echo effect. Now let's turn all of this off. Now after everything has been done, meaning the reverse and either the delay or the modulation delay effect, it can be also then processed to a low pass filter, which the user can set up as he wants. So let's again do the classic example. Let's turn on the delay, the reverse delay, and turn on the delay line. Oops, I forgot to turn this off. Okay. notice that it only works for the wet signal. Now the cutoff frequency can be also be modulated by an LFO, meaning these same 4 LFOs, different waveforms that I'm using, and the user can set up the rate for those here. So basically, if I turn this on, it should sound something like this. So basically, the signal frequency, it's being modulated by an LFO. Okay, next, if for example you're looping, let's say I keep playing the guitar strum over and over again, my array for the reverse effect will get filled up with different samples, not necessarily the first 2 samples. So if I want to sync it again, all I have to do is just click this button at the beginning of the audio file and it should do the job. So for example, just the reverse effect itself. Now it keeps looping. Notice that the reverse effect is different every time. So by pressing this button, what it's doing is basically cleaning the array for the new samples coming in. So basically, if I play it, right before it stops, I press it. And that's what it does. Basically, it's cleaning up the samples in the reverse array. And that's it. That's it for my delay and reverse project. I hope you guys liked it.